Rahim. Dear students, Assalamu alaikum. It is class 11 and subject zoology. And our today's topic is reptiles or reptiles. This term reptiles, it has been derived from a Latin word or reptia. Dear students, the term reptiles has been derived from a Latin word that is reptile. Latin word reptile. Reptile meaning creeping. Therefore, we can say that reptiles are creeping vertebrates. Though we can say that reptiles are creeping vertebrates. In other words, we can also say that reptiles are also called as creeping animals or creeping vertebrates. And there are about 6,000 species of reptiles. Now we will discuss its general characters. The term reptiles has been derived from a Latin word reptia. Reptia means creeping. That means we can say that reptiles are creeping animals or creeping vertebrates. And there are about 6,000 species of reptiles. If we talk about its general characters, the first general character of reptiles is that they are creeping, burrowing and cold-blooded animals. They are creeping animals, they are burrowing and cold-blooded animals. Cold-blooded vertebrates. Cold-blooded vertebrates. The first character is that the reptiles are creeping, they are burrowing and they are cold-blooded vertebrates. Number 2. The reptiles, they have a dry skin bearing scales and scutes. They have a dry skin bearing scales and scutes. The second character is that the first character is they are creeping, burrowing and cold-blooded vertebrates. If we talk about the second character, they have a dry skin bearing scales and scutes. Number 3. They have 2 pairs of pentadactyl limbs with 5-digit claws. Do you understand? The reptiles have 2 pairs of pentadactyl limbs with 5-digit claws each. With 5 digits claws each. The third character is that they have 2 pairs of pentadactyl limbs with a 5-digit claws each. Then the next character is that except snakes, all the reptiles have 12 pairs of cranial nerves except snakes. Though the next character is, if we talk about the heart, all the reptiles have 3-chambered heart. All the reptiles, they have a 3-chambered heart except crocodile. Crocodile have 4-chambered heart. The next character is that all the reptiles have a 3-chambered heart, but the crocodile, which is the exceptional case where there is a 4-chambered heart. All the reptiles have 12 pairs of cranial nerves. 12 pairs of cranial nerves. Then, if we talk about the respiration, all the reptiles show respiration. Yeah, respiration takes place in all the reptiles by lungs. If we talk about the respiration takes place in the reptiles by lungs. If we talk about the excretion, kidney is metanephric. Kidney is metanephric. Kidney is metanephric. And the next character is that all the reptiles are, yeah, in other words we can say that most reptiles are oviparous and few forms are oviparous. All the reptiles are oviparous and few are, yani mostly the reptiles are oviparous and few forms are oviparous. Then the next character is that all the reptiles, they are carnivores. All the reptiles are carnivores, but the only tortoise, it entirely depends on the vegetation. Then it's omnivore. That it entirely, a tortoise, the exceptional case which entirely depends on vegetation. Otherwise, all the reptiles are carnivores. Wait, I will repeat again. The term reptile has been derived from a Latin word that is reptia. Reptia meaning to creeping. Though we can say that reptiles are creeping vertebrates, and there are near about 6,000 species of this phylum Reptiles. Then its first character is that these are creeping, burrowing and cold-blooded animals. The next characters, they have a dry skin bearing scales and scutes. If we talk about its respiration, the respiration in reptiles takes place by lungs. If we talk about the heart of all the reptiles is 3-chambered, but it is the only crocodile which is the exceptional case where the heart is 4-chambered. And in all the reptiles there are 2 pairs of cranial nerves. 2 pairs of there are 2 pairs of pentadactyl limbs with 5-digit claws each. 5-digit claws. And if we talk about the excretion, the kidney of all the reptiles is metanephric. Mostly the reptiles are oviparous, but few cases are viviparous. And if all the reptiles are carnivores, except the tortoise, which entirely depends upon the vegetation. Then there is examples of this phylum, that is tortoise, alligators and lizards. These are the examples of reptiles. Then tomorrow inshallah we will discuss the aves. This will be the final question of this unit. Then we will take the next unit, that is cell biology. Thank you.